two conditions I want to check here. Here whenever I have used if condition, only one value I want to check in this tuple. Okay, as in this tuple Vasu string is there, but that string must be after that one white space I have given. Same if you follow here, so it will print this S statement. Next, if not, that condition is not, right? That condition not satisfied. Next, elif means next condition will be checked. This is what here AND operator I have used. Here two conditions will be checked, one string and one integer number. So if this tuple where this if elif condition looks where in tup1 is what your tuple. I told you that tuple is a like a list. We have discussed in the previous class what are the characteristics of the tuple. Here two values, yeah, Vasu is here, one integer is here, but Vasu has a white space. So Vasu has a white space. So two conditions, otherwise no. Now let us check that y yes means which yes. Let us check back that it is taking which yes. Okay. So now run here. You are getting this yes, means this Vasu and 40 both are matching with your both values are present here. But problem is what try to understand. Here we have not provided any space here. Here space is there. Okay, now run this command. So yes means two values found AND operator means two conditions, two values to be present. If any condition is not present, so if you keep 50 here, so then let us what happened, let us check that. So still it is giving 50. If there is no any 50, whether there is any print, where is our tup1 is updated with next tuple 50. Where is that 50 integer? 50 is here. Okay, this tuple is, so why? Because you have represented string in single quotation marks, you have represented here in double quotation marks. So this is one statement I have written. One more statement I want to explain here. Elif. Here I can use. Now I want to keep this on comment section. Okay. After that I want to use the AND condition here. Okay, AND condition I want to check like this. If any one OR condition, any one value is true, Vasu, or means any one condition will be checked. Okay, 40 is here. Okay, otherwise 50. Only one value I want to take here. So what is the meaning of this? Try to understand here. So if Vasu in tup1 present, S will be printed. Vasu is present here. Okay, Vasu is not present because there is white space here. So this condition is wrong. So after that it goes to next statement. So here OR operator I have used. AND operator means two values to be true. Okay, OR means any one value is present. Any one value it will give. It gives print yes. Okay. Now come down here. So Vasu is present here. Where is that? tup1 is where? tup1. Vasu is present here. But there is no any 50. No? So only one value is there. So it will give this print statement. Let us see. Yes. Okay. Which yes? We need to check back that capital S here. Now which yes? Okay. So Vasu. So first condition satisfied. Why which yes? Not this yes. This yes because Vasu is present. in where your string Vasu is present here. Okay, so that's why, so it is taking first statement. Okay, next if you run this forward, yes, okay. So finally if I want to get no statement, you need to do what? Okay, no any statement, this statement not to be true. Okay, it is giving error. We need to get this statement to be implemented. If Vasu in Tupple print s, so Vasu is present. How many Tupple is there here? Try to understand here. Where is this? It is what? It is okay. No, come down here. How many tubs we have created here? So now actually result I need to get what? So everything, you do one thing, we will keep all the multi-line comments. How multi-line comments will be given here? This is what multi-line comments. So triple comments, triple quotes, we need to provide triple quotes from here. Okay, now what happened? From this line to, from starting line 8th line to up to this line where the total is under comment section, only now this will be executed, this line. But underline means there is no any tuple, because our tuple, where is the tuple? Tuple is under where? Tuple now is, tuple is under, tuple is, it is a tuple variable I have created. Now it is under triple quotes. Triple quotes mean what? That line of code up to 47 line code will not be executed by the your Python interpreter. So I need to create a tuple here. Tuple is a variable. You keep your name. Rahul is a, suppose student. Student is a what? Student is a tuple. Tuple already having what? As I told you that no, the values will be represented with. Okay, either the brackets, otherwise no any bracket, it simply understand that it is a tuple. So now within this tuple, if Vasu in tup1, so there is no any tuple, you change this as student. Okay, now okay, under the student Vasu is really here, no? So it prints yes, and then here I have given the white space. Okay, now let us see what is happening here. Yes, means this Vasu is present here. Okay, because Vasu there is no white space. If I have kept, this statement is wrong now. Now it goes forward this statement. Here 50 is there is no any 50. So we need to get what? No statement. Print, still we are getting yes. So something is going wrong, my dear students. Let me check that what is happening here. Because yeah, why it is giving yes? Because here I have given this much of space here, one white space, but here no any white space I have given here. So I want to go for a new file. Let me check that new file. That is what? Python file. It's giving error, untitled. You run this code and you save this file. Okay, untitled. You keep a name for this. What is what today? Tuple, na? Tuple 2, because tuple2 .py, that is very compulsory. .py, why? Because this is the extension file. Save, it will be saved in this VS Code _ Python my folder. Tuple2 new, it is totally new. Now here I am going to, as I told you that is what student is a tuple. Tuple as you store somewhat values, any values. Tuple, as I told you that tuple can be represented with brackets. Okay, so how many values? 3 values, 2 integers, after that one more 10.5, one float value, after that one boolean value I have stored. Now clear. So if I want to know that print student type,